Today we're unwrapping my new dual motor standing desk. Let's open it and see what's inside. Everything you need is here. Super organized. Love that it came well packaged. Assembly took about 30 to 40 minutes. Todo super fácil with the guide. Now, let's test it out. 4 memory settings. You can stand it up and go all the way up or down and sit comfortably. 4 memory settings, smooth lift with the dual motors, quiet and powerful. Finished. My workplace looks clean, modern, and adjustable. Love this upgrade.